guys, luto tayo ng pork stew. Ayan, gumamit ako ng 500 grams of pork stew. Of pork. Sorry. Then, meron akong garlic and white onion, carrots. Gumamit ako ng 3 carrots, pero medyo maliit siya, guys. Then, French beans or Baguio beans. Then, 3 medium size of potatoes. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan, so gagamit lang ako ng pepper, salt, and 1 cube of pork. 1 cubes lang gagamitin ko, guys. 1 cube of pork. So, there you go. I'm trying to heat the thing, waiting this thing to make hot a little bit. Ayan, guys. Gumamit lang ako ng little bit of oil. Ayan, konti lang. Konti lang siya. Then, pag okay na, ilalagay ko na yung garlic followed by the onion. Ayan, guys, nalagay ko na yung garlic, onion, then followed by the pork. Ayan siya, guys. Pwede na natin ilagay yung veggie kasi wala na siyang blood. Sabay-sabay na natin yung veggie, guys. Ayan, guys, nalagay ko na yung mga veggies. So, at pwede nang lagyan ng tubig. Kayo na lang mag-adjust ng tubig nyo, guys. For now, guys, ganyan yung tubig na nilagay ko, guys. Ayan. Apaw lang ng konti sa mga veggie, guys. Then, cover up. Wait until it get tender or softened. Ayan siya, guys. Malambot na siya. Soft na yung veggie. The pork is also soft. So, when it's already soft, nilagyan ko siya ng 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Pero bago ko nilagay yung cornstarch, guys, tinunaw ko muna siya sa malamig na tubig. Adjust nyo lang, guys. Konting tubig lang para matunaw. Then, ito, guys. Ready to serve na siya, guys.